Hi everybody, welcome to Synchronicity Yoga's YouTube channel. My name's Kevin, so find a place to roll out your mat and let's get started. Today is a short sequence for people, type A people I should say, a little OCD, I know I am that way. Just learning to take a step back, to learn to kind of sit in the uncomfortable and just experience life. Allow yourself to be the observer rather than always having to have a hand in the pot. Maybe this is a way to stir the pot in a sense. So come to a seat, sit tall, closing the eyes, doing this entire practice with the eyes closed. So there's no preconceived idea of how far you should go or what you should look like, but instead learning to tune into the body, tune into how you feel, and tune into the breath. Inhale, exhale through the nose. Taking two more. Remember keeping the eyes closed. Inhale, hands circle sweep overhead. Exhale, twisting to the left. Take the right hand outside the knee, left hand behind. Listen to how your body feels. Inhale, lengthen up, get tall. Exhale, deepen a little bit. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, take it a little bit deeper. One more. Inhale, get long. Exhale, deepen. Inhale, hands reach overhead. Exhale, twisting to the right. Inhale, get long. Exhale, deepen the twist. Inhale to get long, reach out of the crown of the head. Exhale a little bit deeper. Inhale for length. Exhale for the twist. Inhale to come back to center, hands overhead. Exhale, hands to the knees. Inhale, pull the chest forward. Gaze up, but don't open the eyes. Exhale, round through the back. Allow the head to hang, chin to chest. Seated cat-cow. Inhale forward. And exhale back. Two more. Inhale forward. And exhale back. Inhale. Pull the chest forward and lift. Exhale back. Inhale, neutral. Exhale, keeping the eyes closed. Shift forward, hands and knees. Now I want you to feel your body. Feel the shoulders. Are they stacked over the wrists? Do you feel stable? Take the knees out as wide as the mat. Bring the big toes to touch. How does your base, how does your contact with the floor feel? Do you feel stable? Maybe add a little rock side to side. Find what's tight, maybe what's connected to the ground. Now feeling. Bring your left hand underneath the face. Inhale, reach the right arm up to the sky. Gaze is up to the right hand, but eyes are closed. Little rock forward and back. Exhale, bring the right hand through the left arm underneath. Come on to the back of the right shoulder. Extend the left hand overhead, or option to take a half wrap with the left hand behind the back, reaching for the inside of the right hip. Take a deep breath. Exhale, try and peel the left shoulder back. As if you're leaning up against the wall. Keep the side of the head, the temple, grounded down onto the mat. Deepen the breath. Inhale to begin to unwind. Bring the left hand next to the face. Inhale, open all the way back up to the right. Right hand reaches up. Exhale, right hand down, switch with the left. Inhale, reach all the way up. Little rock back and forth. And exhale, thread that left hand through underneath the right. Come on to that left shoulder. Option to extend the hand overhead or take a half wrap. This time reaching for the inside of the left leg. Take a deep breath. Exhale, peel the right shoulder back. Lean back. Inhale to unwind. Plant the right palm next to the face. Inhale, open the left arm all the way up. Exhale, bring the left hand down to the mat. Bring the knees into hip distance or whatever feels comfortable and stable for you. And then sit up onto the knees. So the tops of the feet are pressing into the mat. Knees are below the hips, which are below the shoulders. Head rests gently on top. Palms face forward. How does your connection to the ground feel? Do you feel stable? Do you feel the urge to look down to see where you are? Maybe add a little sway back and forth. Do you feel comfortable being here, sitting in the experience of your body? Bringing hands to heart, palms touch. Inhale, lifting from the crown of the head, get long. Exhale, keeping the core engaged, begin to lean back. Straight line from knees to hips to shoulders. Begin to lean back just until you feel comfortable. Stay here for a breath. Exhale, come back forward. 2 more. Inhale, lean back. Press the tops of the feet into the mat, core is engaged. Keep a strong line, knees to shoulders. Exhale, come forward. Last one. Inhale, sit it back. Exhale, bring it forward. Walk the knees into touch. Sit down onto the heels. Keeping hands at heart center, bowing head to hands. Taking a deep breath in the nose, out the mouth. And recognizing that it's okay to be an observer. It's okay to experience. And that you don't always have to be in control. Thank you for practicing today. If you liked the video, please comment below. Let us know what you deal with. There's a lot of people out there like us. So make sure to subscribe. New videos every Sunday. Have a great rest of your day. Namaste.